Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. Remember, we're stopping in your town, and we're also in Troy, Indiana. Yes, Troy, Indiana, which is a town in Troy Township, which is in Perry County, Indiana, along the Ohio River near the mouth, man, that's loud, the mouth of the Anderson River. It is the second oldest city in Indiana. Troy was laid out in 1815. Troy was early seat of the Perry County. A post office has been in operation in Troy since 1818. The Nestor House was laid on the National Registry Historic Place since 1990. Future U.S. President Abraham Lincoln, get away from me, fly. Here we go with these flies again. Abraham Lincoln began operating, a ferry near present-day Troy, Indiana in 1826. So like I said, make sure you spread the word that CJ the Traveling Man is coming to a town, a city, a village, and a state near you. Peace.